Hello, today I have here with me Sharpie Gel highlighters. Now, I had the pack that came with 3 different colors. Basically the regular, fluorescent yellow, the orange, and the pink one. I've seen one that comes with just all 3 yellow ones, and I've also seen one that comes with a green one as well. This happens to be the one I bought because it was the only one I saw. There you go, this is the packaging. Now, the difference between this and any other highlighter is the fact that it's gel technology. Now, for those who have never seen one, I will show it to you and how it works and just how much better it is for a lot of things, It's I know a lot of highlighters advertise that it's smear protected, I'm so sorry. And I believe that, some brands can be, including Sharpie. But the gel technology definitely enhances that, especially with other things like sometimes, when you have a Sharpie like that you write in, or even like have your pen inks and stuff like that, or pencils. I just feel like this works with everything at all, and it's more 100% proof versus other regular highlighters. Now, for those who have not seen what gel looks like, it basically comes with this little twisty thing right there. And you can see the little ridges, that's where you twist it. This is a cap, now it just come here, Some people like to hang it on your shirts, anything you wear really, whether it's at work or at home, There you go. And that is what I mean by gel, There's more of it. Basically, it's not your regular liquid, highlighter. It's literally gel. It goes on so smoothly. That was the yellow one. This is the pink one. Same texture. It's very soft texture too. I've never had a problem with stains or anything like that. There's the orange one. And another great thing about this is they won't dry out. With other, it's literally liquid, so if you leave it open or anything like that, it would definitely, this will not dry out. I've left, especially the one I use the most, this one, and it's not dried out. It's not different from any, and this is the one I use the most. You saw the texture, it's definitely not different than these two that I don't use as much. This one I use the most, but anyways, like I said, it just doesn't dry out if you, accidentally leave it open, or, kids get a hold of it or anything like that. It definitely doesn't dry out. This can be used on basically not only with any ink print, but also any type of paper, whether it's thin or even glossy paper. You write what, maybe you have your textbook of your own and you're taking notes, those kind of books where it's just, or just a regular book where it's glossy paper. It will literally work on that, whether it's ink or the actual text on the book that it came with. The tip top, I didn't really explain about the tip. It's bullet shaped. That's what it's called, I believe. I think it's so good because if you're reading something that's thin, you can literally just go right across like this. And I will be showing to you guys on real ink right now. Or let's say it's a little thicker, you can definitely go because it's so wide at the same time, you definitely can scribble like that, and get it done real quick. Just don't use a lot, and I think that's awesome. Now, the way I found out about these was actually through a friend. I saw her using it on her Bible, actually, and I was like, I know a lot of people write in their Bibles and whatnot, but I definitely was so surprised that you would be using highlighter, and she just literally told me, I purposely got these because I found, I know that they're so good, and I thought they'd be perfect for my Bible, super thin paper, and it's definitely something you don't want to ruin for some people and whatnot. Now, she carries it with her basically when she, has her Bible on her, just anywhere really. They're so portable. You can take them with you anywhere. I've traveled with them before, you can take them anywhere. Let me show you guys a little bit of how it works. I haven't. There you go. You see how I literally, only for my purposes, I just want everything to be covered, but it literally didn't smear anything whatsoever. And you can definitely, smooth it out more if you want it to be more perfectly shaped. And I will be going with the lighter color on the Sharpie, just so you guys can see. But there you go. See, didn't smear whatsoever. It doesn't like, it's no smear at all. Super easy to use. Sharpie Gel ones. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this and hope it showed you guys something about these new Sharpies that are now coming out, or just highlighters in general, you know. Thanks for watching.